WordPress dashboard. Now let's navigate to the settings for comments. Go to Settings in the left menu and click on Discussion. Here, you'll find various options related to comments on your site. To disable comments on all of your posts and pages, simply uncheck the box that says, Allow people to submit comments on new posts. Don't forget to scroll down and click Save Changes to confirm. If you would like to disable comments on an individual post or page, navigate to the post and click Quick Edit. Now uncheck the box that says Allow Comments, and that's it. Now you have full control over comments on your website.